Introducing the ultimate solution for all your gardening needs. These are the perfect bags if you do not have a garden or if you need to add to your garden. These grow bags are 25% thicker than traditional ones, making them incredibly sturdy. And the best part about it, the material is also degradable and reusable, ensuring them no harm to your plants or environment. Transporting your plants has never been easier, as each bag comes equipped with 2 sturdy handles. These handles are crafted with double thickness and double stitching. These grow bags excel in drainage performance as well, recognizing the importance of moist soil for root development. When you purchase these grow bags, it comes as part of a comprehensive package. You will receive 10 fabric pots, each with a 5-gallon capacity, a pair of garden gloves, fingertip claws, and a protective mask. The gloves with fingertips claws provide enhanced efficiency in planting, making the process faster and more enjoyable.